Turn off power at circuit breaker before installing. Remove the outlet cover and 4 screws on both ends of the light back. Attach the 2 side plates to the light. Snap the end cover into the side cover's mounting hole, then secure it with screws. Install the male power connector to interface the main supply with the light. Install the wiring box and spring clips. Cut a proper hole in the ceiling. Lift the light up and make wiring connections. Lay the light into the ceiling.
Inspect the light-to-ceiling interface for gaps or misalignment.
Clean up fingerprints and stains. Turn on circuit breaker and test light